Hi guys, so my name is Hannah Barrett, or maybe you know me as Yoga Girl London. I am teaming up today with the Sports Edit team to talk everything Chaturanga Dandasana. Now Chaturanga is one of those poses that I really find in my classes that people struggle with because it's hard, it takes a lot of strength. And it's a question I get asked about all the time on Instagram, what poses will help me get my Chaturanga stronger. So I'm going to walk you through 4 drills. They are not the funnest of drills, but they're really good at isolating the muscles you need for Chaturanga. So when you're ready, come down on your mat and we'll start. So the first thing I want to say is all of these drills can be done on your toes or on your knees. Sometimes we don't like to drop our knees, we like to push ourselves, but when we're building strength for things, and when we feel our body getting fatigued, it's a really good idea to drop your knees. So I'll show you both. First of all, let's just come into a plank pose. Make sure you're nice and warm before starting this video. Coming onto your knees, first of all, you're going to have your shoulders over your wrists, and you're going to make sure that your core is super engaged. So we could chill out here, I could chill out. Everything's not working, I'm like, this is super easy. What I want you to do is push your hands into the ground. Hug your navel into your spine and lift your pelvic floor. You want to imagine you're squeezing your hands in towards each other, help turn on your pecs. Your upper arms are outwardly rotating, and you can tuck your toes if this feels really easy, sending your hips to shoulder level. Keep pushing through the hands, keep hugging the navel to spine, and your inner thighs want to feel like they're hugging in towards each other. Gentle squeeze of the glutes. This is a full body drill. Hold here for as long as you can. Maybe that's 5 seconds, maybe that's a minute and a half, who knows. Breathe, hold it, keep everything in, keep pushing through your hands, keep hugging in the core. Holding now for 3, keep breathing, 2, and 1, release. The second drill is a really subtle one. So it's turning on the muscles in your shoulders, the rotator cuff muscles. So what you want to do is come into that strong kneeling plank again. And all you want to feel is a slight hugging in of the elbows. So a little bit like you're wrapping them round into your body. So again, it's that feeling of the upper arms outwardly rotating. You'll see it's very subtle, but my elbow is just pulling slightly back. So exhale, hug them in. Inhale, release. I'm going to do 10. Exhale, hug them in. Inhale, release. 3, hug them in. Release. 4, hug them in. Release. Keep pushing the hands against the floor as you move. Keep hugging your navel to your spine. Maybe that's easy. We've got 5 more. Maybe you tuck your toes and do it in a plank. Release. Hug them in. Release. We've got 3 more. Hug them in. Keep pushing through the hands. Keep the core nice and strong. We've got 1 more. Exhale, hug them in. Inhale, release. Hopefully you feel the fire already in your belly and your arms. So next one, scapular push-ups. Really, really, really beneficial exercise. It works the serratus anterior muscle, which in a lot of us can be quite weak. It's the muscle on your back there, or your shoulder blades. So coming back into that kneeling plank, core strong. This is not a cat-cow movement. This is purely a movement from your shoulder blades. So as you inhale, you want to squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're trying to squeeze a pencil. As you exhale, push the ground away. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale, squeezing together. Exhale, pushing away. Core stays strong. This is just your shoulder blades moving as far as they can. So squeezing them in towards each other, pushing them away. Again, you can either do this, you can tuck your toes, or you can do this in plank. Squeeze them together. Exhale, push away. Squeeze together, push away. When you do it in plank, it's really hard. You'll find the movement maybe isn't quite as dramatic, but it's a lot harder. I'm struggling. 2 more. Inhale together, exhale, push away. Last one, inhale together, exhale, push away. Whew. Give your arms a little bit of a shake. So the last one is some push-ups. So you're going down Chaturanga and then you're pushing straight back up. So you want to kind of bring all of those feelings that we've been doing through the drills together. So get a really super strong plank, whether that's kneeling or on your toes. Before you go down, that slight wrap towards you of the elbows. Keep pushing the ground away as you lower through Chaturanga. The things that you want to watch for are, and it's a really good idea to video yourself actually, these are the kind of the biggest things I see in my class. The core collapsing. So if I don't engage my core, I come down and the core doesn't quite catch up with you. So you want to make sure it's super strong. You don't want the opposite to happen though. What often happens is the bum stays up and then the shoulder tips come down and then go back up. That's really exaggerated, but if you give yourself a little video or get someone to have a look at you, they can see where you are. You want to think of yourself going down like a ramrod straight plank. So starting on the knees, we're going to do 10 again. So wrap the elbows in, push the ground away, lower halfway. So your arms are about parallel to the floor. Inhale, push back up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push back up. Keep the core really strong as you move. Only go as far as you can control the movement. So if that means you go to there, maybe that means you go to there. But then maybe tomorrow you go a little bit further. And again, you can come up onto the toes and come down. Just move slowly. Make your body use the right muscles. Keep pushing through the ground. Keep moving. You're going to do 3. Exhale. Inhale, lift it up. 2 more. Exhale. Last one. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Push back up. Sit down on the heels, stretch the arms forward, child's pose. Tiptoe those hands forward, take a little breath. And maybe do that whole circuit through again. Maybe if you have the energy, do that whole circuit through again 3 times. These are the kind of things that will really, really help build strength in your Chaturanga. I hope it's been really helpful. Any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you on the mat again soon. Namaste.